Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a free Zapier account on your PC. Let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and go to zapier.com. Once the home page loads, click the sign up button at the top right. Now, you'll see several options to create your account. You can use Google, Microsoft, or Apple to sign up quickly, or enter your email manually. In this example, I'll choose sign up with email. Type in your name, a valid email address, and a password you'll remember. When you're done, click sign up. Zapier will send a confirmation email to your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. After verifying, you'll be taken directly to your Zapier dashboard where you can start building your automations. And that's it, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.